हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मैंने अपने चैनल पर DSSB के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस की सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रखी है, जो कि रिलेटेड है एजुकेशनल साइकोलॉजी एंड टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड से। एंड ये उसी सीरीज का पार्ट है। जिन्होंने भी रिमेनिंग पार्ट नहीं देखे हैं वो चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के साथ। First question is, which of the following factors indirectly influence the education process and the overall development of society? Historicity of society, geographical context, nature of state. So correct answer is option 3, first, second and third. Next is dash refers to the rules, procedures and norms of production, distribution, consumption as well as working system and patterns. Economic institutions, religious institutions, social institutions या political institutions. Correct answer is option 1, economic institutions. Next is which of the following are projective techniques under methods of assessing personality? Social drama, parents' views, cloud picture test, Blackie picture test. So the correct answer is option 2, first, third and fourth. Next is the language found in literature is different from the ordinary usage of the language. How can we differentiate between the two? First, by studying the forms of language used in literature, by analyzing the word formation and sentence structure in literature, by studying the synonyms and simile used in literature and the language used ordinarily. So, correct answer is option 2, first, second, and third. Next is, what are the roles of speakers of a language? They help the linguist in preparing grammar and dictionaries. They tend to form the basis of a language by practicing and propagating it. They only focus on speaking and not on writing. So the correct answer is option second, first and second. Next, which activities are encouraged by a teacher in the constructivist classroom? Experimentation, project work, field trips, visuals, class discussion. So the correct answer is option 4. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. Next, in cooperative learning method for student achievement to improve considerably, which characteristics should be present in every group? Success is not reliant on each individual's learning. Students are looking towards a group goal or recognition. So correct answer is option 1, only second. Next, what are the benefits of collaborative learning? Students learn to work with diverse types of people. Students learn to relate to their peers and other learners as they work together in group enterprises. Students take more ownership of their material and think critically about related issues when they work as a team. So the correct answer is option 4, first, second and third. Next, in learning centered approach to learning according to Weimer, the content facilitates students to build an appreciation for the value of content, practice using inquiry or ways of thinking in the discipline, develop a way to learn through content and make meaning out of content. So the correct answer is option 2, first, second and third. Next is, according to Kolb's model, in which learning style students choose to work in groups, to listen with an open mind, and to receive personal feedback. Assimilating, diverging, accommodating, converging. Correct answer is option 2, diverging. Next, what is the relevance of behavior modification approach in classroom teaching? Repetition without reinforcement does not enhance learning. Punishment is not very effective for eliminating undesirable behavior. Correct answer is option 1, both first and second. Next is, on which of the following points should a teacher rigorously focus on while planning a lesson? Framing the learning objective, selecting the teaching learning strategy, selecting teaching learning activities and learning experiences. So correct answer is option 4, first, second and third. Next is, which of the following are the advantages of using discovery approach to teaching science in the classroom? Students enjoy learning because they themselves discover knowledge. There is constant interaction between content, teacher and the students, resulting in the development of information processing abilities of the students. Correct answer is option 4, both first and second. Next is, which of the following statements are correct regarding the nature of social science? Social science are advanced level studies of human society. Social science contribute to the social utility and advancement of knowledge. Social sciences are those aspects of knowledge which have direct bearing on men's activities in different socio-cultural fields. Correct answer is option 3, first, second, and third. Next, which of the following statements regarding unit plan in the teaching learning process is correct? It is an outline of the program of action after determining the subunits. It is a detailed plan which consists of intended learning outcomes, teaching learning strategies and activities, and assessment tools for learning outcome. So the correct answer is option 3, both first and second. Next, which of the following statement regarding discovery approach to teaching science is correct? Some cues in the form of learning material are presented by the teacher to the students. The students using inductive thinking are expected to discover the concept of or rule. Correct answer is option 2, both first and second. Next is, which of the following are features of a learner-centered social science class? Creating space for exploration into social issues, respect for multiple views, use of multilingualism. Correct answer is option 3, first, second, and third. Next, which of the following approaches adopted by social scientists in understanding political science focuses on formal apparatus of politics, government, institutions, constitutions, and states? Philosophical approach, legal institutional approach, psychological approach, behavioral approach. So correct answer is option 2, legal institutional approach. सो गाइज ये थे आज के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। प्लीज़ इसे लाइक एंड शेयर ज़रूर कीजिए एंड येस, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको टाइमली मिल सके। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।